First time now, I feel careful of people. Watch where you talk, I feel watch where you eat too. I know who you expect.
You gotta be careful of people, man. Watch who you talk, watch where you talk and watch who you eat to. Yeah, man, that's a fact. Because the people pies, you know, and people go tell lie by you. That really shit, man, man.
Yeah, yeah, yo,
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jambisco back in another hit and a smash and a banger. You already know what time it is. From the title, guys, you already know I'm here with a new artist. Well, not a new artist. He's been out for like a year or two now, but he's relatively new on the scene. He's just been dropping his hits. Yes, guys, I'm with none other than the one-word boss himself, Jafrass. If my Jamaican people should know Jafrass, you know, Jafrass is the upcoming artist from Jamaica. For my American people who don't know, Jafrass is a up-and-coming artist out of the Unruly camp, which is Popcorn's camp. That is Popcorn. Unruly. That's his Popcorn label, Unruly camp. So yeah, Jafrass is out of Popcorn's Unruly camp. You probably know him from such hits as his latest, the one-word boss, or Crime Boss. Crime Lord, young lad, we don't know landlord. Listen me now, Wendy. Want buy a couple jazz in a Fendi. Yeah man, Jafrass. Yeah man, Jafrass. He's back with another hit today. He dropped a new song last night, actually. Last night, about a couple hours, about 20 hours or so. Yes, he dropped a new song called Frustration. And you know, Jafrass, he always come with these dope videos, dope lyrics, usually very underconscious, borderline conscious and bad man and boss type shit. You know, that's the type of song Jafrass always come with. So yeah, I'm looking for this to be a very dope video with some mad lyrics, some very boss, some gangster shit. You know, that's what Jafrass always come. He always come with some boss, some gangster, some dope shit. You know, man, video always six. Every video where Jafrass have always mad. Me don't know who I'm cameraman. Me don't know what kind of camera them I use. Me don't know what them I use edit them video. Me don't know what them I use on color grade. But whatever the man I do, them a blood clot do it right. Look man, I see that. Look man, I see now on the blood clot screen right now. The man is up on the rooftop. I know what's the yard him there. But the way them do it, the color grade, everything, man, video them always shot dog. So yeah, I'm drop a new song in Frustration. We're gonna check it out together, see what it's about. You know, from where it's saying sound like some conscious type shit. You know, maybe what he's going through life from the title. We're gonna check it out and see exactly what's going on. But it should be a very dope video, guys. So if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. So as soon as I drop my videos, you get them right away, and you won't have to wait or miss a beat. For my returning viewers and subscribers, you already know we family over here. I love you guys. Thank you for your continued love and support. I love all the feedback you guys have been giving me. So stay tuned for upcoming shout outs and giveaway prizes, because I don't want you guys to miss out on it. So turn on your notification bell and make sure you stay tuned for that, because I really don't want, I would be sad if my loyal supporters miss out on all the good stuff coming up. So stay tuned in for that, guys. And without further ado, we're gonna jump right into Jafrass' new video called Frustration. We're gonna check it out, guys, together and see what it's about. So yeah, if this is a new artist, I'm happy I'm able to introduce you to a new artist. If you're already familiar with Jafrass, I'm glad that we can check this out together. So guys, we're gonna jump right into it. This is Jafrass' new song, new video entitled Frustration. Let's get it.
One word, yeah man. The more that things probably, the more that things me I think about. The more that things probably, the more that things me I think about. Me I pray for by my mother, house dog, nothing me about scar, the money no close. My little daughter said she want a blouse dog, no if not supposed dog, me I touch her out. Me and Priya, my friend turn first dog. Look how we do close, I wonder why them sell out. Monday ornaments, no joke. Frustration, I young coke. Me want that things, but my brain, them want that things me and think about. I wonder if me fi keep a little dance or a drink out. Still I wonder why they take my brother life, come me down now. The amount of things for my brain, the amount of things me I think about. Me want to rich before me all my clothes are brands, me carry a silver chain and gold. You know see me hot, so why the fuck you want me call? Come out of my way, me want for
Me want for rich before me whole. All my clothes are brand, all my chain and gold. Hey, I mean man, everybody want bumbuckler rich before them all, man. Nobody want rich on them all. You can't enjoy life from when you're old, family. I really talk him on the pan dog. I don't know greed thing. I don't know vanity thing. It's just a fact, man. You want rich while you can still enjoy. Move around and enjoy this stuff. You know, like a lot of people, like I was on Instagram or social media, like a while back. You ever seen those old people and they was like at Niagara Falls on a boat and they was like dead asleep. You know, they weren't able to enjoy the vacation that they worked so hard for. Look, they worked so hard during their younger days and now they got older, right? Now they can afford that vacation. But unfortunately now they're older, they can't go around and enjoy it. They sleeping because well, now they're old, they don't got the energy. So yeah man, everybody wanna be rich when they're young, man. It's not no vanity thing, it's not no, you know, it's just facts. You want to get it while you can still enjoy it, man. That's the goal. Like for real. Everybody wanna have nice things, everybody wanna nice clothes and the nice jewelry. Come on man, it's basic human nature to want better. I want the best. So it's just what it is, man. So guys, let me know what you think of the song so far. Really dope conscious song, you know, really dope beat, nice style. The video is dope, it's conscious. He's talking about, you know, the things that he's thinking about, like what's he thinking. He want to buy his mama a house. Like he was like, yeah, I'm buy my mother a house. The money not close and think me a boss. So he's like, yeah, I'm buy my mother a house, you know. So true, hear me say me I buy my mother house, but if he say the money not close, and I feel like a boss me over here a boss. You see me? Yeah man, the man I say, yo, basically I'm an artist and I'm working, still have goals you want to hit. You want to buy a mother house. You see me? Nobody feels a boss and a boss with the things and just dreams and ambition the man have. You see me? The man I say, yo, you want to know how me and him friend them follow, cause him keep it real with them, but also people still don't know. Matter really keeping people, you know, things just gonna come together at some point. And he's like, yo, he want to think about ways of making money. So I'm like, yo, should I keep a dance or should I keep a drink or what, you know? So it's like frustration is basically all the things that he has on his mind that he's planning on, whether it's frustration or future plans for the better or, you know, all the things on his mind is making him frustrated, man. So that's where the song Frustration come from. So really dope track. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section, guys. Yeah, if it's fire, drop the fire emoji. If it's trash, drop the trash can or shit emoji. You already know how we do over here, guys. But without further ado, we're going to jump right back in the channel. This is Jafrass Frustration. We're going to check it out the rest of the song. Let's get it.
Brought the Super Bowl, me style and fresh and none all, none not stall. Me pay me dues, go ask it all. Me keep exclusive, me not come and like a fall. That's how me pick the spot, the moment me go. And plus I serious time now. I feel careful of people. Watch where you talk, I feel watch where you eat too. I know who you expect.
You gotta be careful of people, man. Watch who you talk, watch where you talk and watch who you eat to. Yeah man, that's a fact. Because the people with pies, you know, and people go tell lie by you. That real shit, man, I say, man.
Deceive you. My time for live good life now. No business but people. Step off of the plane, jump in on my vehicle. Right now want some real estate me a pray to. The amount of things for my brain, the amount of things me a think about. The amount of things for my brain, the amount of things me a think about. Still I wonder why don't take my brother life coming down now. The amount of things for my brain, the amount of things me a think about. The amount of things for my brain, the amount of things me a think about. The amount of things for my brain, the amount of things me a think about. Still I wonder why friends tell me out, coming down now. The amount of things for my brain, the amount of things me a think about. Me a pray for by my mother house, dog. Me think me a boss car, the money no close. My little daughter said she want a blouse, dog. No, if not supposed, dog, me a touch her out. Me a pray how my friend turn false, dog. Look how we do close, I wonder why them sell out. Monday ornaments no joke. Frustration I young coke. Me want that things but my brain amount of things me a think about. I wonder if me fi keep a little dance or a drink out. Still I wonder where to take my brother life, cause me don't know. The amount of things but my brain, the amount of things me a think about.
Jano. Yeah man, real dope track guys. Really dope track. Really conscious. This is a type of song that you sit back and just meds to. You see me? I'm sorry I wasn't doing much talking. But it's the type of song you just sit back and meds to, you know? Really think about life and think on things that's going on around you, man. Yeah. So yeah, he was thinking about trying to help his mom get a house. He want to know why his friends they switch up, why they kill his brother. Am I trying what kind of moves he can make to make money? So he's like all the thing that's on his mind is the frustration. You know, say got him higher than coke. You already know, man. So it's like, yeah, man, a real conscious tune or something you can mid-span, something you can listen and mid-span. Like say, yo, you know, in the night or in the day by yourself, really, and you just meds him, you want all the meds, you turn this on, man, and you meds all type of thing, you meds your future, you meds your past. Yeah, man, one of them meds thing, meds song where you still man, can just really think on life and reflect, you know, or even think about the future and plan. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, one of them song, man, really nice, really dope track, directed by Shane Creative. I definitely gotta check him out. Shane Creative, really dope guy, really dope video. So he did the editing and directing was really cool, man. So yeah, man, really dope track from Jafrass. Me not lie, Jafrass from day one, I dropped some quality tune, no, brother. For real, if you watch my video, you drop some quality tune, brother. Like your song them a quality and your video them a quality. You keep this up. You keep this up a problem for them, brother. I really talk, me not joke. Yeah, man. You can, you're one of the elder artists. You're a new artist, you're one of the elder artists, you know. You keep this up, man, you're going to be an OG in the game, brother. For real, family. Yeah, man. You'll be an OG in the game. Because I like the way you're moving the thing, man. For real, man. You move like a real G, a real gangster. Yeah, man. You can't tell, you know. You can't tell how, it's when a man a real G from some you can tell through the video. Or the video tell and how everything portray. You can just tell, you can, from the vibe, you just can't feel, you know. And Jafrass is a boss, man. A real, yeah, man. One word boss. So, yeah, man. Really dope chat, guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Go ahead. Drop the fire emoji if it's fire. Drop the trash can or shit emoji if it's garbage. And let me know what videos you want to see in the future, guys. Go ahead. Leave it all in the comments or hit me up on Twitter or Instagram at Jambisco. And today is Jambisco with a 0 at the end instead of an O. Okay? So, hit me up. Let me know what you want to see in the future. What artists you want me to check out. What videos you want me to check out. What song you want me to check out. Anything, man. Let me, if you want to see it, hit me up, let me know, and I'll go ahead and try to see if I can make it happen. So once again, guys, before I go, if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so as soon as I drop my videos, get it right away, and you won't miss a beat. And I'm going to start doing shoutouts and giveaways soon, so you guys want to stay in tune for that. My returning viewers and subscribers, you're the best. I just want to thank you guys for the continued love and support. You guys are the greatest. You guys are keep giving me motivation to keep doing this, man. So I really appreciate everything you guys are doing. So yes, once again, guys, this is your boy Jambisco. I was here with another hit, another smash, another banger. You already know. Until next time, I want you to stay safe out here. You and your loved ones, stay safe, stay clean. You know, quarantine should be up in a few days, and hopefully we can get back to our normal lives. Hopefully, once this is up and we are back to normal life, no new infections or any new cases arrive. So. Yes, guys, once again, this is your boy Jambisco. I was here with another hit, another smash, another banger. Until the next video, stay safe out here. I love you guys, and I'm out.